go.
Hey guys, this is Carrie with Hooper's Hollow. Today I'm cutting door hangers and I wanted to share with you how we do it. I've picked up lots of tips and tricks along the way. We use 1/4-inch plywood for most of our stuff, and then we use this 2-inch insulation foam. It holds together for about 120 door hangers, and it works for us. Okay, when we start, I don't like to cut the very edge of it because I want it to be held together on the edges. I just like to cut the center, and I've tried it both ways, and I think that the foil side up is the best because I think that the clear plastic that's on the back side holds it together better. So here we go. Every now and then I do cut through the side, as you can see, but I try to focus on staying in the center. I always let the blade stop completely so it doesn't chew up the edge. Here's what you have. We hope you enjoyed our little demo on how we cut our door hangers. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments and we'll try to answer as best as we can. Thanks.